Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React Native. So today we are going to implement such kind of custom gallery component. You can see that we are using the custom slider over here. You can slide it. Okay. So you can do such kind of custom gallery cross-sell in your React Native project. So with the help of this kind of things. So let's see how we are going to use this in our project. So which package I have used, so we all are getting details in that tutorial. So those who haven't subscribed my channels, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please like it, hit like, and any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's start the tutorial first. Okay, so so here I am using the React Native Snap Carousel. So you can see that it has a documented documentation. You can see that they have such kind of gallery over here, right? So I have just used the simple one slider. So you need to install this one, then install this npm install. Then after that we have to make this Carousel component. Okay, so let's have a look on that how we are going to make it. So here we have the code. So here we are importing the React, and here we have the React Native default. This is the Carousel and the pagination React Native Snap Carousel. Here we are getting the dimensions, width and height of that, and here we have the constant of all the images that we are passing it. Okay, so we in the bypass, here we because we have to map loop it through the code, and so that's why we have to make it id so that it will loop it in the code. So here you can see that here we are using the Carousel view. So here render item. Okay, so and here we have the pagination part, right? And here in the flat list, what we have done, we have the all the flat list reference, the horizontal data images, all the images that we have. You can see that we have binded in the state one. So all the data what we have in the state, we are binding this one, and showing all the data with the help of render all these things in this one. And this will component will show all the images with this one. If it is active, inactive, we have marked it with orange or white. You can see that here. So we have orange, and by default it is white. Okay, so those which you are active, that is orange, and those who are inactive, that is going to be in the white screen, right? And thumbnail size, and you can rest it is that's it. Because we have already seen that it's very easy and very simple to just use the snap Carousel, and you can whatever you will want to use. You can see that there is only the data entries, so you need to pass this data, and in the Carousel you need to bypass all this. So what we have done, you can see that in the Carousel, what we have passed all the flat list and showing all the data according to it. Okay, so I think any query in that, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and it's a very simple solution for doing that. So any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. So how this is the way that we can create a product section also. Like you can see the product image view on that note. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.